Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to make chicken and sausage fajitas. So this is all the ingredients, and I have a chicken breast right there. Just that one is just 1 pound, and I use beef because I can't eat pork. Anyway, I'm just gonna need like 2 or 3 of this, not all of that. And first we're gonna marinate the chicken. You can see a lot of spices over there. We're going to make fajitas spice. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. The spices. I put some 1 tablespoon of sugar. I put 1 tablespoon because we have 1/4 cup of lemon, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. I just gonna open it. It's easier for me to skip. And 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Where's my cumin? There you go. Right in front of my nose. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. And 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. Dried oregano. And my cayenne is not that much. It's supposed to be 1/2, but I don't think that one will go to 1/2. No, it's not even 1/2. So I'm going to put chipotle, and a black pepper, now we're going to mix that, and we'll marinate this for 1 hour. Just put in the fridge for 1 hour. Alright, let's put it in the fridge for 1 hour. We'll cut the zucchini like a stick. So we are going to cut that 3 pieces. You can do also diagonal, like that. Alright, let's put on the side. The same with the bell peppers. Actually, these are sweet peppers. I don't have a red peppers right now. I just use this, whatever I have. The tomato I just cut on half. You can use a regular tomato. I always use cherry tomato because it's not that sour. Cherry tomato is sweet. Okay. Now let's cut the beef sausage. Okay, let's cut the sausage like also a stick. Just cut on the half. You can cut like a diagonal. Well, I decided to use only 2 sausage. I want my fajitas to smell lemon. Now we need the juice of the lemon. One lemon is enough. There you go. So I put 2 tablespoons of butter. Stick. Stick on my tongues. And let's go ahead and drop the garlic before the butter gets burned up. You just wait until the garlic gets light brown. Just put your heat on medium. Now let's add the onion. I burn up the garlic. Aha! Add the chicken. Cook it like 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Let's add the lemon. And the broth. And adjust your heat to high and cook it like 2 minutes. I want my fajita like not too dry. I want a little bit like a little sauce on it. Not much, just little. Just make your meat moist. Okay. Now let's the sausage. Cook it like another 3 minutes. Alright, we'll continue simmer it for 3 minutes. It smells good. Okay, I add the tomatoes and put your fire to high. So this is my own version of fajitas. Okay, let's continue simmer it. Now let's add the peppers and the zucchini. And cook it like 2 minutes and the fajita is ready to serve. Adjust your salt, adjust your sodium. You can add the salt. Alright. Almost done. Almost there. Alright everyone, here is my chicken and sausage fajitas. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie. See ya. See ya next time. God bless.